Hello my friends, welcome to Brown Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are playing Apple Tree. I'll play it for you first. You will have noticed that we are playing half bows and whole bows in this piece. So all the crotchet notes, the short notes, what I call short notes, are played with half bows, and they can either go from the heel to the middle and back, or they might occasionally also come from the point to the middle of the bow, and that's what's happening in this piece. Now at the end of this piece there is a semi-breve, and that note is held for 4 counts, and we're going to start on this last note. While you play the long note with me, try to stretch your bow arm forwards like that. And we're going to count to 4. So let your bow move very, very slowly. Are you ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you've done it correctly, your bow should be quite near the bridge and your arm should be straight in front. If you find yourself playing like this, so your bow might have gone like that and it's slipping across the fingerboard, your arm has gone too far to your side. So next time when you play this note, you need to go straight and stretch your arm much further forwards. That feels like a real big stretch, but I promise you, you get used to that and it becomes easier. So let's play this last note one more time, and we're holding it for 4 counts. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely job. Now we're going back to the beginning of the piece, and we're just going to test our finger line, our thumb, and our tennis ball. Nice space for your tennis ball here. And then I want you to make sure that your violin is really high up, close to your ear. So it's not under your chin here in front, it's right there. There we go. Let's test our first finger on the A string, shall we? So we're playing A, 1, A. You make sure that my pretend finger can still go there, behind your first finger, and then you're about right. Let's try it again. Listen very carefully to check if your sound is exactly the same as mine. Here we go. And A. Lovely. In a minute you're going to hover your finger right above this spot so it comes down in exactly the same place. Are you ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you will have noticed that when you play the beginning here, this long note has brought you to the point of the bow. So you're just going to continue from here. Because I hope that you have already learned that once you start playing a piece, your bow usually doesn't come off the strings at all. So you always keep in contact with the string with your bow. You try not to lift off the bow in the middle of a piece. unless you've got a rest, which is very different. But in this piece, you just leave it down all the time. Let's play it one more time. Test your finger first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've made super progress with this piece. Try practicing it every day so that when you've got your next lesson, you're going to be super good at it. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.